I got it all figured out. So I'll take you through it here. This is the main transformer. This is a 25 volt transformer, 40 volt amp. When 20 comes in this cord, 25 comes out of this one, AC. Then it gets split up to one wire goes up to the bridge rectifier. This will activate the solenoid when the system is armed. Then another, this is all DC, the solenoid. AC comes around here for the motor, and let's see, this goes in series. Yeah, the switch, the relay, and the AC with the motor is in series. And here's the relay, and I just found this nifty little relay circuit, or yeah, I guess you'd call that, for here. It has diodes right here, so you can't mix up the DC power, which is nice. And it's got terminals, which I like. So I numbered these. This is T1 through 4, and then 5 through 8. There. So this then goes to the whole mess of wires here. Here's the LED. This actually is going to be turned green, and the yellow one's going to be for the test one. Green means it's off, so nothing is on, as you can tell, except for the one LED. And then when you want it to be armed, the red one will come on. The LEDs are powered by this little radio transformer, which supplies AC current about 9 volts, and then it goes up through the whole circuit. This is the common, and this is where the two LEDs are attached. I didn't know this, but these LEDs run on AC as well. I thought LEDs needed only AC, but maybe they don't. I don't know. And so the power comes in here. This is a normal. It's going to be a normally, I don't know, normally closed or normally open. I don't know which. Let's see. It's normally open. It's normally closed. It's going to be a normally closed switch. And so then when it's open, it'll make the connection. I think I got that right. I'm not sure. And then the power for the LEDs are right here. Black is common right there. And then the two LEDs, white one, let's see, is the, I don't know which one goes to which, but I think white is yellow and yellow is red. That's really confusing. So then this is going to be the main switch. So I have 3 transformers in the entire circuit. That's a big one. This is a little LED one, and this is the other transformer, which will power the relay, which is this. There's also going to be, this is going to be the main switch. So when I turn it on, I've turned it on. Now I gotta push the switch down, and the switch is down that way. So then I have attached onto here. Say someone breaks in, so that's open now, and it switches from yellow to red, and the relay is closed, and then the motor goes on, which I'm just going to switch to easy part right here. Just clip it on here. The motor's on there, 1 RPM gear motor. And adjust the camera. Oh. And then the solenoid will be wired up with a roller switch. And then the wheel, like an AF timer, will have indentations as a cam wheel. And give you the different power or different stages, if it's on or off. So that's the solenoid. I think it's whole circuit. So here's the little timing motor. We got the 1 RPM gear motor. You got the cam wheel, the lever switch. Hopefully it'll work great. I love this look. So it'll probably be used for the AF timer too. So then I got this little part there in the store. Got the controls mounted. This is the system off, system armed, power off, power on switch. Those two are LEDs. This one also is an LED. I'm still figuring out how to get this one work. And this is the system test. We got the relay and the relay socket there. These are the connections to attach your pressure switches, sensor switches, everything that you want to be set off or something. These will be this is for the power supplies for the noisemakers. That's the terminal block for the noisemakers themselves, or vice versa. This is the power transformer for the relay. This transformer is for the LEDs. Rectifier for the relay, and this is going to be from the big power supply right there, power transformer. That is going to go to the solenoid, which is somewhere where I can't find it. But that's what I got so far, mounted in this box here. Okay, so I'm working on the alarm here, working on the controls. But I'll give you a sneak preview. I got my siren and the bell hooked up, and got the cam wheel for the timing. So when the siren goes off, the bell goes off, and when the bell goes on, the siren goes off. This is also going to be the same technique used for the AF timer, but here we go.